Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today I will share with you this YouTube thumbnail pack for Adobe Photoshop. This is RAR file. You can download, link in description. It's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. Now I'm extract here this file. You can see there have 3 folder: fashion, YouTube thumbnail, fonts, and YouTube thumbnail templates. First open font folder. There are all the fonts in it. Free fonts. Select and install all the fonts. See how I do this. Click this option and then click no. These are installed. Now you have to do is come out of this folder and see this folder. Now I am opening the fashion YouTube thumbnail folder. There are 5 thumbnail projects here. See opening the next folder, there are 20 different project files. So I got out of here, and I opened this folder and see it opening. Notice on the right, here it is written your portrait image, so I opened it, and opened this also. You can see these on and off from here. I'll take a look. It has background effects. It has text effects. You will take a good look at them. You can see your stock, then double click here. You can see here I am going to give a new image. So, I'm removing background of this photo, then I'm going to take it and sit here like this, see. It's done, so I'm going to put a picture here now, see. These are very simple. You can do as you like. Here each project file is different. You can use YouTube thumbnail for Facebook thumbnail. Hopefully there will be no problem. I hope you understand how to use these. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.